Om Shri Sairam, class 4 standard, subject mathematics. Today I am going to start lesson subtraction. In 4th standard, you are going to learn about subtracting of 4-digit number. First, what do you know about subtraction? Where we are using subtractions? Subtraction is to take away. Subtraction is to remove objects from a collection. Subtraction means to give away. Subtraction makes things less. Subtraction is to count backwards. So, this is the important points to while doing subtraction. Subtraction is to take away. Subtraction is to remove objects from a collection. Subtraction means to give away. Subtraction makes things less. Subtraction is to count backwards. So, always keep these points in your mind. Now, where you are using subtraction in your daily life? In shopping for the groceries, we can find out if we are given the correct balance by the shopkeeper if we know subtractions. Now, let us start subtraction with one small example. See here, 6, this is minus, this is the symbol of subtraction, is 2 is equal to 4. Now, how it becomes 6 minus 2 is equal to 4? See, I taken 6 picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And minus. You have to remove 2. Now, it become 4. See here, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So, like this, we are using subtraction. Now, let us see subtraction without borrow. See here I taken 4-digit place value, that is 1000, 100, 10 and unit. This is I take an example 3574 minus, this is symbol of subtraction, 2343. Here we have to subtract. While subtracting, you have to always go from ones place. While doing our addition or subtraction, we have to start from ones place. Here 4 minus 3. If you subtract 4 minus 3, it become 1. 7 minus 4, it become 3. 5 minus 3, it become 2. 3, 2, 3 minus 2, it become 1. See here, this part we call minute and this part we call it subtrahend, and the answer of subtraction is called difference. This also important things keep in your mind. So this is minute and this is subtrahend and the answer is called difference. See the example. Raju has rupees 3,385. He gave rupees 2,140 to his friend. After distributing, what is the remaining amount? So you have to subtract. Here, Raju have 3,385. He distributed amount is rupees 2,140. Now we have to subtract. Here see 5 minus 0, it become 5. 8 minus 4, it become 4. 3 minus 1, it become 2. 3 minus 2, it become 1. So remaining amount with Raju is 1,245. Always keep this point in your mind. While subtraction or addition, you have to go from unit place or ones place. Okay, in next class I will explain subtraction with borrowing. Thank you. Sairam.